They say you gotta strive and it's getting worse. Who can tell they I was born with an evil curse? What can be worse than see my face up on this t-shirt? From doing dirt, my mama's bustin' telling me get help. But if she's bustin' something's telling me to kill myself. That's how I felt, something was telling me I ain't gon' make it. He said he'd give me one more chance, so I gotta take it. Now on my knees, hey Lord, I come as your child. Kill all the lies and the pains that make my mama proud. I remember the time that I said I quit, but as I said I quit, I'm still smoking on the split. Ain't that a trip? Ran out of time and I'm out of money. My heart going all alone, looking like a dummy. I can't go home, something's missing, so they said I did it. So let's go get it. It's so hard, they said they see me with it. You best to quit saying that I ain't gonna learn my lesson. Put on my best in case they hit me with a Smith and Wesson. Trying to come test me, God bless me, come show me the way. Turn my life around so I can see a better day.
Ride with me, so they just gon' ride with me. All that fake love, I don't want it. You gotta pay to see me out of style for free. And none of that sucker shit, I don't condone it. I rolled over and fucked my bitch this morning. The king of the jungle, gotta go, I'm hungry. Jumped in the big boy, toy bitch, I'm a grown man. It feel different when you get it on your own, man. I said fuck the industry and did it my way. I learned how to roll the weed, I didn't roller skate. Go in the backyard, look at the lake and I meditate. Told my big sister stop working so hard, let's celebrate. Bitches gon' ride with me. All that fake love, I don't want it. You gotta pay to see me out on style for free. And none of that sucker shit, I don't condone it. I rolled over and fucked my bitch this morning. The king of the jungle, gotta go, I'm hungry. Jumped in the big boy, toy bitch, I'm a grown man. It feel different when you get it on your own, man. I said fuck the industry and did it my way.
So it really ain't my fault, man. See, I gotta die, man. Don't you even try, man. It ain't you gon' be once I let you pull it time, man. I'm up on the side, man. I like to get high, man. Niggas that's the case on the line, I get tired, man. I guess to get tired, man. Robbing was the time, man. That a nigga did, but I done for my time, man. Put that on my time, man. Yeah, I on the grind, man. I ain't so many drunk in the seat on my ride, man. See, I ain't a fool, man. Fuck this thing to you, man. Why you in my gear and you know it be ain't cool, man. My dick ain't a duck, man. See, I know what's up, man. Get up on my dick like a motherfucking snatch, man. Blood on my head, blood on my head. Rocks in my song. Talking for the chill, watching for the pigs. Sitting haters with, thanking me some bread. Player can you hear? Blood to my head, blood on my head. Yeah, cool, man. My dick ain't a duck like a motherfucking snatch, man. Blood to my head, snatch, man. Blood to my head, like a motherfucking snatch, man. Blood to my head, blood on my head. Rocks in my song, talking for the chips, watching for the pigs. Sitting haters with, sitting haters with the pigs. Sitting haters with, thanking me some bread. Player can you dig? Blood to my head, blood on my head. Rocks in my song, talking for the chips, watching for the pigs. cause they work cheese. Dress them up their knees, jelly and G-strings up the backside. Taking up all that slack ride. So tell me where can I find them? With they players on and that candy Cadillac right behind them.
Hookers telling me, see you so grand. All she wanna do is ride suburban van. Put her ass on the leather and rub for wood. So we got boxes in Texas, so man, that body look good. So man, I let the guns ride and I show them a grip. But she blinded by the candy, she can't see I'm a pimp. When she told me I look good, I didn't feel no pride. All she really want to do was just whip my ride.
Now Papa style players down when he steps to the floor.
But they ain't tripping on me, they wanna ride my car.
Come on, who the hell you think you are?
They ain't tripping on me, they wanna ride my car.
They look your partner up and down like he a superstar.
They ain't tripping on me, they wanna ride my car.
Come on, who the hell you think you are? Baba.
They ain't tripping on me, they wanna ride my car.
Oh yeah, they really think they cute with skin tight cat suits, assuming that their body's too booming to dispute. But you know it's the root of all drama, and attributes put up in their head by their mama. Oh yeah, I'm gonna tell it like it is. I seen where you been in. These fools talking about how they be passing around women, but all you do with them is kick it, fool.
Hey, you know, lady. Fuck all this shit. So, we been on a whole lot of gang shit, you know, nowadays. That's how I'm coming. Yeah. Gang shit. How they train all that shit. Oh, this how you come.
Jerry Production. Jerry Production. Jerry Production.
Make a party, you cannot get in. Busting off the knee, phone them off the Zans. I can shake your hand. Busting off the knee, phone them off the Zans. I can shake your hand. No, I'm not your friend. I don't fuck with rappers. No, I'm not a fan. Damn, niggas really shoot no accident. I can't make this shit up. I cannot pretend.
Keep that clock on, and I ain't looking for no trunk. I'm just looking out for me, cause I done did shit the niggas ain't talking about no rap. Boy, I'm talking tragedy, mask it, cash shit that I can't even remember. Bet they remember me. Don't know it, he don't no more. I even asked him, was it true? He told me, nah, look, bro. Bitch, what you lying for? You had me crying, ho. Could've did that time, bro. Now we ain't talking now. And he don't even call my phone no more, cause ain't nothing to talk about. Nigga, you dead wrong, left me on my own, cause you ain't So, that boy was realer than the bitch, man, I don't know how he fold. That boy was realer than the bitch, man, I don't know how he fold. That boy was realer than the bitch, man, I don't know how he fold. That boy was realer than the bitch, man, I don't know how he fold. That boy was realer than the bitch, man, I don't know how he fold. He coulda hit them with the script, but he ain't sugarcoat. He told him what he told. That was my brother, he bogus. Gotta act like I don't know. Don't call my phone no more. That nigga laughed at me in my face, don't know what he on no more. I even asked him, was it true? He told me, nah, look, bro. Bitch, what you lying for? You had me crying, ho. Could've did that time, bro. Now we ain't talking now. And he don't even call my phone no more, cause ain't nothing to talk about. Nigga, you dead wrong, left me on my own, cause you ain't real no more.
Jerry Production.
Speaking of Christmas, come get your hoe, I be climbing all up in the chair. All of this ice on my wrist and they feel like it's Christmas. Speaking of Christmas, come get your hoe, I be climbing all up in the chair. We sharing the hoe, she friend. Ain't seeing me going, we miss it. You won't see me in the back of a bill. Hop out and I'm blowing this rented. Woke up, ain't doing no drive-by. Yo, MVP, that bitch my side. Just a wild little nigga from the south side. Nigga killed your homie, yo, nigga come outside. Fuck doing no drive-by. Hop out and I'm blowing this rented. Woke up, ain't doing no drive-by. Yo, MVP, that bitch my. Yo, MVP, that bitch. Yo, MVP, that bitch. Yo, MVP, that bitch my. 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 Yo, MVP, that bitch. Yo, MVP, that bitch my side. This is wild little nigga from the south side. Nigga killed your homie, yo, nigga come outside. Fuck your bitch on purpose. Them bros came in, we work. My song come on, she twerk. All our house be broke, they hurt. My niggas, they too fish. Send a text, they get right with you. Y'all was so glad monkey in the middle. We was trying to put on for some girls when I was little. If you still alive, we gon' meet him at the skill. On the jail call, gotta talk in the room. Since she love me, she gon' tap my neck. Nigga move foul, get the blowing like a whistle. Fuck that, let's talk about Louis and Mary and Gucci and Prada and shit. When I go to the store, they can't hit the door and they bringing me bottles and shit.
Hey, you know, lady. Fuck all this shit. So, we been on a whole lot of gang shit, you know, nowadays. That's how I'm coming. Yeah. Gang shit. How they train all that shit. Oh, this how you come too?
Rico got the sauce.
This a real nigga party, you cannot get in. Busting off the knee, phone them off the Zans. I can shake your hand. No, I'm not your friend. I don't fuck with rappers. No, I'm not a fan. Damn, niggas really shoot no accident. I can't make this shit up. I cannot pretend. Damn, and I heard you know who shot your man. You ain't trying to slap, so I'll be acting like you is. Cause if you don't slap, push your nigga there, slide there. Let me see your fucking shot fat there.
Cash raised and swiping cards and I'm spinning shit. I'm so crazy, go retarded at the dealership. Said I wasn't gon' fuck that check up no more, but I did. Send that cake outside the paperwork and I just slid. I ain't even had no time for that. Swerve. Sleep sitting in the driveway, I spent 1.5 for that. Swerve. 200 on the highway and my wrist cost half for that. Swerve. Talk about me, he died for that. I ain't even spend a dime for that. Clips is on my wrist, got all these bitches on my dick. While all these bitches on my dick, I spent like a nickel on my fit. I got 60 on my ears, it's like 560, but it's kid. None of you niggas better not blitz, cause we got switches on them clicks. Ain't no pics, please. 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 No pics.
Hey, gang. Hold up, gang. Hold up. Hey, gang. I like to count my money backwards. It's faster. I'm not a rapper. I'm a trapper. Let's go, gang. Pimp harder. Why you fucking like buddy? Pimp harder. Hey, King ain't King. You over there talking like you know what you're doing, man. Come on, man.
Big plush Cadillac seats, a Cadillac harder. Big plush big plush harder. Big plush Cadillac seats holding me up. Hey, cause I'm always doing big boy stuff. Cause I'm always doing big boy stuff. Wood wheel, I be gripping in my big boy truck. Back the truck, back in that, back in at the club, getting this big boy up. 8 ball, MJG, you know we can't be touched. If it's about Hennessy or you, you can link it to us. If I can be touched, if it's about Hennessy or you can link it to us. If I feel you disrespect.
Come on now, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Straight from the underground, fat boy from the mound. Spit it how I live it, keep it gutter. That's how we get down. I wanna see you get it cross. Let a nigga know what hood you.
Yeah, Ballin' G.
Yeah.
Orange Man, the moment you vote, Ballin' G.
Yeah.
Orange Man, Ballin' G.
Yeah.
Orange Man, the moment you G.
Yeah.
Orange Man, the moment. Orange Man, the moment. Orange Man, Orange Man, Orange Man, Orange Man, Orange Man, Orange Man, the moment you vote, the way your collaboration. Come on now, let's go. Let's go. Stop. Let's go.
Straight from the underground, fat boy from the mound. Spit it out from the underground, fat boy from the mound. Ground, fat boy from the mound. Spit from the mound, from the mound, from the mound, from the mound, from the mound. Fat boy from the mound, fat boy from the mound. Spit it how I live and keep it gutter. That's how we get down. I wanna see you get it crunk. Let a nigga know what hood you from. Everybody with me drunk as fuck. Break it down and roll it up, bag it up. A girl like you, we get that from the mound. Spit straight from the underground. Fat boy from the mound. Spit fat boy from the mound. Boy from the mound. Boy from the mound. Underground. Fat boy from the mound. Underground. Fat boy from the mound. Spit it how I live it, keep it gutter. That's how we get down. Boy from the mound. Straight from the underground. Fat boy from the mound. Spit it how I live it, keep it gutter. That's how we get down. I wanna see you get it crunk. Let a nigga know what hood you from. Everybody with me drunk as fuck. Break it down and roll it up. Bag it up. A girl like you, a nigga like me can't pass it up. Roll.
I don't fuck with these niggas cause
Now when I
shady.
die, if I
These
die,
bitches, they just
remember me,
my baby.
ballin'.
Born in the 80s,
Now when I die, mama, don't you cry,
Mama,
just
she was-
remember me, ballin'. Now if I die, when I die, remember me, ballin'.
Don't stand so close to me. 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 Running through the beast that push you off the peak, we like free. And I got to lose the heat you because the fight's in Lord. And here comes the 2 to the 3 and 4, 5, 6 after 7 motivate. I'm thugged out, posse out, scarecrow, vicious mode. And when we tear the club, you best believe you won't come out of your booth. If you think the one is lost in the snow, remind you all the ones that want so you can come and find. It's the time of the thugs with the gangsta booth. This is my beat. the bag, the heavy boys get them up. Fools all up in my face. I'm so bad to take my place. So be in my shoes, I find out that it ain't been safe. Up in the club in the lean house, like a renovator. Bust 2 times in the bad like God. Don't stand so close to me. Don't stand so close to me. Don't stand so close to me.
Got tired of ringing up and trapping. Now a nigga sick of rap. All of this shit just too basic. My past, I wish I could erase it. Tired of ringing up and trapping. Now a nigga sick of rapping.
About the past, these things gon' last. I wanna try this on you to sleep the right way. What I'm trying to say is, guess who loves you more? Love you more. Guess who loves you more? Guess who treats you better? He did me, girl, me. That's right, me. Baby, guess who loves you more? Guess who loves you more? When you gon' see, wake up and see. My love for you can never be measured. Ain't no doubt about it. Girl, your treasure. My love multiplies for you. Girl, it knows about it. My love multiplies. Girl,
don't stand so close to me.
Watch my hand at the end, so worry about no murder. And I don't repent my sins. I gotta stay so very crazy and wanna do me. And the devil tells me things I think I should not know. And then I try to resist temptation, tell me to do my nigga. And oh why me, Lord, oh why I kill these men. I really try to control conditions rolling in my head. I really want a nigga. Then I stay up all night and all day. Weighing up all my drugs, I'm rocking up all my pure can't settle these slanging thugs. I'm praying this not a snitch that's calling up in my clique. I feel like doing it lately. I feel like this is it. I stop feeling hostile. I get a rinse in my temper. I load up a fucking symbol and kill off my own feelings. I should not react like this. I need some relaxation. Maybe they know about. Or I guess I'm so very pain as I drink. I think I want to just bring niggas west smoking dick. Then I will go get me some fucking black market artillery like a damn tank, so I insane. A battleship me motherfucking money's real. Get me born a crib to make blood drip with clips of hollow tips of milks. My boy, a nigga you cannot afford to fuck with. I fuck with motherfucking skull flips, these slips. share these stupid diaries. I don't leave enough of the puzzle to be performing some fucking autopsies.
Lord infamous, let's go, Lord infamous.
Your inside capsules. Snapchat your fucking eyes and put on film up John like glasses. Fast looking on the sponsor. I'm burning but like lava. Skip from the spirit hunter. Lives on planet marijuana. Satanic 666 himself gave me a gun. Pumping this 20 case trying to knock us all off. I believe in that dream. Skipping from burning the bottom of the first. Listen to
Gang, where y'all at? Where y'all at, man? Gang, where y'all at?
bitches got a rapper that's the
This place cause low coast pill. If it don't have a frown on your face when I fall in this place cause low. Won't get caught up in the game when I'm serving this play. Won't get caught up in the game when I'm geek. Won't get caught up in the game when I'm serving this play. Type shit can't get out sleep. If it don't have a frown on your face when I fall in this place cause low coast pill.
What's up? Rumors lurking on the street that I shot for fearing me. With rumors lurking on the street that I shot another.
This I kill a trick. When I click and sign quick, lock, took your knock, get your knees down.
bitch your ass. Low dick, money, ducking it down the mess. My Glock never changed to my rolling, cause it's fully loaded. Written down at 201, ain't no fuck. Caught that day, now he's down at 201. My cousin caught that day, now he's down at 201. My cousin caught that day, now he's down at 201. My cousin caught that day, now he's down at 201. My cousin caught that day, now he's down at 201. On that 201, 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 on that 201. Ain't no fun, yeah.
talking all that motherfucking shit. Chicken head assholes. I'm trying to tell you it's hard not to kill you chicken head assholes. What's the motherfucking bid? I'm trying to tell you it's hard not to kill you chicken head ass. What's the motherfucking bid? I'm trying to tell you it's hard not to kill you chicken head assholes. Talking all that motherfucking shit. But then that's all good. I'll call a few charges. I ain't scared to catch some more. You hear me, bitch? Right. Come to my motherfucking door. Plug white hole. Plug. Right. Come to my motherfucking door. Plug me a few charges. I ain't scared to catch some more. You hear me, bitch? Right. Catch some more. You hear me, bitch? Right. Scared to catch some more. You hear me, bitch? Right. Scared to catch some more. You hear me, bitch? Right. 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 Right. Come to my motherfucking. Right. Come to my motherfucking. You hear me, bitch? Right. More. You hear me, bitch? Right. Right. Come. You hear me, bitch? Right. The bitch. Right. The bitch. Right. The bitch. Right. The bitch. Right. Come and catch some more. You hear me, bitch? Right. And catch some more. You hear me, bitch? Right. And catch some more. You hear me, bitch? Right. And catch some more. You hear me, bitch? Right. And catch some more. You hear me, bitch? Right. Come.
Not to kill niggas. Niggas, you better know that. It's hard
Not to kill niggas. It's hard not to kill niggas.
It's hard not to kill niggas. Niggas, you better know that. It's hard not to kill niggas. It's like an everyday job not to kill niggas. Niggas, you better know that.
Fuck the mother niggas, I be hanging with my fucking clique. Out to get that cheddar, cause it's better when you having shit. Doing gangster stuff, yeah, and I'm finna be my truck. I keep
You abandoned me. Love don't live here anymore. You abandoned me. Love don't live here anymore. Just a vacancy. Love don't live here anymore.
This is dedicated to all of my ladies in relations. Peep this out. I'm a lady who be keeping it real. Peep this out. Peep this out. Peep this out. Peep this out. I'm a lady who be keeping it real. You don't care. Take time out. See how I feel when I be riding in the SUV. I'm thinking of you. When I be rolling up a barrel, boy, I'm thinking of you. You got me going like, ooh, I'm feeling the rush. I like the stuff. Let's get bumped in the back of the truck. So what was up? It's whatever when it comes down to you. Well, it wasn't until you made it clear that I ain't for you. You just abandoned me. You left me stranded me.
Love don't live here. You abandoned me. You abandoned me. Love don't live.
Some don't push me. Fast to my fucking face. I'm feeling to increase my hot. 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 I'm feeling to increase my hot.
Fucking inconsolable. Yeah, that's the shit. That's the shit.
Ass to my fucking face. I'm feeling to increase my hot. I've always done this till they say my bad recognize. Ass to my fucking face. I'm feeling to increase my hot.
Fucking inconsolable. Yeah, that's the shit. That's the shit. That's the shit. Fucking inconsolable. Yeah, 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 that's the shit. Yeah, that's the shit.
Some boys be killing me, acting like they moving pounds. I be looking for.
It's my congregation. Bitches possible.
The animal, this motherfucking so I leave you wet. On the back, pussy animal, this motherfucking slow. I'm the cold, this is the winter's hole. Mess with me, you die. You can't take a ride, my boy, that's cold. Bringing on some Hennessy and some B&B and me, bitch. Smoking on some weed, 100% every fire, bitch. What you trying to do? I done already did it, baby. If you wanna run through, I done already did it, baby. We 100% every fire, bitch.
favorite game. Contemplate.
My name out your mouth, cause you don't know what the, cause you don't know me out your mouth. My name, my name, my name out your mouth, cause you don't know what the fuck you talking about, 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 out your mouth, cause you name out your mouth, my name, my name, my name out, cause you don't out your my name,
Contemplate.
my name, my name, my name, my name out your mouth, cause you don't know what the fuck you talking about. Keep my name out your mouth, cause you don't know
What the fuck you talking about? What's up, gang? Everybody hit the like button. They done got me fucked up. Now, let me tell y'all something. I went over there at AK Boxers. Shout out to AK-47, but let me tell y'all something, right? These niggas be talking a lot of bullshit. They don't know what's going on. These niggas be lost like a motherfucker. We are the adult sector. So King AK-47, I tell King AK, drop that link. That motherfucker wouldn't drop that link. I seen him cash happen though. $20. Drop that link. That motherfucker would not drop that link. So I know you scared of me, bitch ass nigga. Over there talking that bullshit about Dolph. Talking about God ain't going to jail, this and that. Nigga, who the fuck you working for? Nah, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna set it off right now. Set it off in this motherfucker. Whoa, it is. I am the adult sector. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now. We the most informative. So when I see Low talking about we ain't been on no Dolph, niggas ain't been listening to Dolph, nigga, shut the fuck up, nigga. You from Cleveland, nigga. You don't know what the fuck going on around here. So I'm gonna put it down like this right here. We are the adult sector. We are the adult sector. Everybody know that, right? Now, we ain't gonna beef no more. We gonna leave that right there. Let's move on. Because I don't beef. I kill beef. All right? I don't beef. I get rid of beef. I eat beef, man. So, let's get on our shit tonight. Makedas cookies think they going free. Now, if all of y'all paying attention, a lot of shit ain't come out in this trial. Govan ain't hit the stand. The Makedas workers ain't come on the stand. Marcus ain't get on the stand. And the trial over with. The trial over with. Tomorrow we looking for a verdict, man. And I might be mistaken, but that's just what they saying. They saying tomorrow we looking for a verdict. You know what I'm saying? We looking for a verdict. So I just got to know one thing. We've been keeping up with all the names in this case. From Treon Ingram to Sanders. Niggas, these niggas talking like they know something, right? We the one bring all the fucking names of this shit. This nigga talking about he been the first one to report this, that. You ain't been the first one to report shit. We been the first one to report Jook get his ass smashed. On that game, been the first one to report Jook get his ass smashed. And we get our channel scraped for that shit. We talk about, we been the first one talking about the goddamn shooting at the FedEx Center. All that. All right, so we got Bang Wayne, all these people. We bring Chula Mafia. We bring all that shit. Niggas ain't talking no Chula Mafia. You ain't talking about, these niggas ain't talking about they ain't want to call them names. Man, fuck that shit. You know what I'm saying? Everybody know about, talking about Low Kenny or Low Kenny. Man, shut your ass up, man. So, You got stupid Duke them still locked up, right? The day we going over, everybody got something to do with this case. Not this case, but just in general. Just in general. We going over everything with the Dolph case. We gonna catch up with all of the little loose ends, and then we gonna smash the cookie shop. Now, y'all know stupid Duke them fucked up. Y'all know Bang Wayne fucked up. And as you can see, right here on the screen, the stupid Duke latest in this case. The latest in stupid Duke case is, notice a resetting. Brian Lackland, Gerard Cox, Darius Moore, Edgar Smith. Interim report is reset for Friday, October 11th. Right. So that's just the latest in his case. We don't know too much what's going on with that because, you know, they ain't saying too much about stupid Duke. Y'all can see that right here. Alright. Boosie, y'all know we gotta check on his slick ass. We gotta check on his slick ass. And we got the power. Talking about black and white don't always tell you nothing. Boy, shut your ass up. Let me tell you something, homeboy. Black and white is everything. Status report by Hatch on the 21st. Hatch still working. Get your ass up out of here. Status report. 23 pages. Uh-oh. Where? Lil Boosie. August 30, 2024, the court heard argument, defendant's motion to dismiss indictment without jeopardy collateral. Its motion to dismiss indictment. We denied. Defendant then attempted to supplement his vindictive prosecution argument, claiming that he was now exposed to increased penalties under 924E, the Armed Career Statute, and the Career Offender Guidelines. Right there. In effort more fully to understand this new argument, the court granted defendant's request to file supplemental briefing and this and that. So, after the following report, the defendant has not filed any supplemental brief. They trying to career Boosie out. The 4B1. Boosie about to get career out. A defendant is a career offender. A defendant was at least 18 years old and got 2 felonies on his record. The defendant has a heavy evidentiary burden. Hatch has not met the burden. There is no prosecutorial vindictiveness where the prosecutor revises the charge because of the newly discovered evidence and the alternative theory of liability on some other objection reason to get this, exercising it. Vindictive prosecution is due to process doctrine that prohibits prosecutors from filing this. So, Boosie saying them boy being vindictive. Them boys saying, get your ass out of here. We gonna career your ass up. Boosie looking at career offender. 15 to life. To life. Hatch has failed to make any showing of realistic likelihood of vindictiveness. He failed to show that they've been vindictive. That would trigger a rebuttal. Finally, Hatch has not been charged under the Armed. Finally, Hatch has not been charged under the Armed Career Act 924E and is unlikely to be, as it does not appear that he has requested qualifies felonies because he don't have enough felonies. In addition, the basic reading of the Career Offender Guidelines does not appear to apply to Hatch as he is not charged in the instant offense with felony that is either a crime of violence or controlled substance. 4B12. The crime of violence does not include the offense of unlawful possession of a firearm and all that. So he talking about he a career offender. Them boys say, no, you ain't no career offender. Conclusion, the court should deny Hatch's motion to dismiss September 20th, 2024. Exhibit 1. The clerk. This was on August 30th, Courtney. Calling the matter. Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Dismiss the indictment. I sought to sign a form that you do not want to proceed today, or do you? I'm prepared. Boosie lawyer. I was caught up in the hearing all day, so I have looked at the ex parte. The court, well, all right. The first motion was dismissed in light of double jeopardy. The court has reviewed the defendant's motion as well as the government's opposition. I am inclined to deny the motion. I do not believe the requirements of double jeopardy have been met here. So he tried to say the court did double jeopardy. He said, hell no. This is rather unusual set of circumstances. Mr. Hatch charged with the violation of carrying that gun, 922G, which is the case is pending, in the Ninth Circuit issued ruling that would have invalidated that such law unconstitutional. Therefore, the court reversed his motion. His precedent in this court, and the court found that there is no charge that could be sustained. There were no factual findings specifically made to the defendant regarding this. The case has now been vindicated. The law as section 922. I do not believe there is an applicable double jeopardy standard here. That's what the judge said. Is your motion anything you want to say for the record? Blanco, thank you. Your Honor, would you like me dressed for the first issue? Reads a double jeopardy. I know they work. You briefed it. I don't think I am not really going to change my mind. The judge said, I don't think I'm going to change my mind. Fuck Boosie. That's what the judge said. I don't think I'm... Everybody hit the like button. The judge said, I don't think I'm going to change my mind about Boosie Boo. But I was giving you the opportunity if you wanted to highlight anything for the record. The same judge that dropped the charge tell him, I don't think the court, I don't think I'm going to change my mind on this one. So the judge tell that nigga. Get the fuck out of here. All right? It's bad enough. The judge tell a nigga. Because I ain't got my mouth all in the fucking microphone. I'm over here on the Don Julio and I'm chilling, right? So the judge said, I don't think I'm going to do all that. So Attorney Blanco said, perfect. Thank you, Your Honor. I think I agree with Your Honor. What? His lawyer agree with the judge. This is a very unusual situation. This is an unusual situation because, hang on one second. Mr. Hatch, can you mute your phone? Please, so that you can listen. This nigga phone went off in the court. Mr. Hatch, your phone went off. Everybody like, but how much likes we got in the box? Before I get into this paperwork, how many likes we got in the box? Moderators, where the likes at, James? If the likes ain't up to par, I'm going to go ahead and shut it down and do a members only. All right? Members only. Members only. So, 373. Oh, no. Oh, no, y'all playing with me again tonight. All right, I tell you what. Let's go to Patreon. Let's go to Patreon again. Everybody got your Patreon memberships? We gonna go to Patreon. We tired. I ain't asking no more.
Okay. Okay, shit, real. Damn, I figure shit, man. Damn.
Patreon block.
I'm
All
talking
right.
for real, you know what I'm saying? For real. Yeah.
Please don't make me have to turn up. All gas, no bread, burn up. I'm trapping on the phone, it's a burn up. Trust no nigga.
All right. Mr. Hatch, can you mute your phone, please, so that you can listen? Thank you. Well, we got 400 and something likes. We good with that. Y'all keep going. Turn it off, the defendant. Turn it off. The clerk, just mute it. Thanks. Attorney Blanco, I agree with you, Honor. That's a very unusual situation. Probably does not arrive. In reality, even if there was no factual application, or would it? The government's initial opposition to Mr. Hatt's motion, the dismissal was filed in 2023. The facts they put out were facts that we agree with. Mr. Hatt's prior conviction qualified as certain type of felonies. There are no, those are drug convictions. We all agree to that. That was not something that was in dispute before Your Honor, and we conceded for the point of the motion possession. So those facts were not disputed, though those were two facts that the government would have to prove at trial. Mr. Hatch should be in a felon in possession. With those facts not in dispute, the question became, did Mr. Hatch commit the crime under the law that existed that he was a felon? And the answer was no. And so it is unusual that this is not a case we need to come to evident hearing on. There was no evident hearing to be decided based on the facts that we were disputing. Mr. Hatch did violate the law, and the answer was no. So for double jeopardy, I do think in this rare case is applied to court. Let me pause. Mr. Wheat, do you respond? Your Honor, in light of the tentative, not much. But in the fact that there was no admission by Mr. Hatch himself, counsel represent are insufficient to attach jeopardy. And I think the court's tentative is correct. The court would like just to cite United States v. Lusby, So whether or not you're willing to stipulate or not, putting forward, hit the like button. There are no statute of limitation issue here, so there's no problem. I think we have covered the double jeopardy issue. You have also got your vindictive prosecution claim. Vindictive prosecution. He going up in front of federal judge talking about they vindictive. So the attorney said, that's, I think, is submissive. Separate from the double jeopardy. Though the collateral is attack whether the government is collaterally stopped from filing a new charge against Mr. Hatch. The argument there is slightly different than the one put forth in double jeopardy, but I do understand the overlap. In this case, assuming double jeopardy did not apply, the government's remedy then would file an appeal, which could have done. They admitted their opposition that they were working on an appeal. That is what you do if you disagree with the court's ruling. They had 30 days to appeal, and that would have taken the case, Your Honor, court up to them. His lawyer fuck up had 30 days. And that did not happen. His lawyer had 30 days to appeal the double jeopardy. They are not allowed to circumvent their procedural requirements and obligations by simply filing new cases. And that is what they did. They filed a new case. I believe they are collaterally stopped from doing so because they did not follow proper procedure. We see it in other cases. This fucking stupid ass lawyer. Again, though, in those cases where you're applying equitable doctrine of estoppel here, the ultimate issue that we have been litigating determined that it wasn't. There are no factual issues here. The court did not reach the elements of the fact. So yes, for instance, if we had properly should apply. We are back here. In the first instance is your first motion to dismiss, which is the court is denied. And they won on that one. So again, they are preserved for any long-term appeal issues and going to dismiss. That's what it is. So, and frankly, on a vindictive prosecution, that's a really high burden that you ain't met. Secondly, when we were looking at 922G offenses, where each offense contains or has 15 years statutory maximum, when you add two of them together, the statutory maximum increases to 30 years in total. Where the government is right, the 922G 1, 2, 3 grouped together for sentencing purposes. The government failed to address an issue that may become a plea. Mr. Hatch's case, I believe the government, if we got to sentencing, would try to argue. And that is the government has indicated that Mr. Hatch's prior non-violent nonviolent drug offense out of Louisiana, although he pleaded to several of them in the same day, each consecutive a separate drug offense. So his two prior pleas, I believe, in their view, because they are separate offenses states, constitute more than two offenses. More than two prior drug offenses put Mr. Hatch under the 922 and the potential for career offender guideline range. His career offender guideline range would be 29, criminal history category 6, which puts him in the guideline range, then about 15 years. Boosie facing 15 fucking years for opening his mouth. Boosie facing 15 years for playing with these fucking people after they done come back and get him. He pleaded all them damn drug charges in one day, and they count him separate. See how the feds do you? So when combining the two offenses that allow the court to sentence Mr. Hatch to those guidelines, that is beyond what one count would be. The impact is nothing. It does not expose Mr. Hatch to additional penalties. It does expose Mr. Hatch to additional penalties that the court could not and the government could not validate with only 922G. This was not addressed by the government, and this is what it is in play here. He facing 15 fucking years. So the analysis inapplicable to Mr. Hatch's case, analysis the government made in terms of grouping, that maybe if we were talking about a regular 922, where the government has not cited or indicated a belief that he may qualify as a career offender, the court, Mr. Wheat, Your Honor, the response we filed indicates that we are not going to seek to stack these. They are separate legal theory. Same guideline offense applies. Same guideline section applies in both of the offenses in these cases. He is not exposed to any more time than the guideline calculation remains the same for both offenses. Attorney Blank, just to explain the issue, is not stacking. It is what the statutory max is 30 years. And so the guideline range for a career offender, which is 15 to 20 years, moves him to the base offense of 29 or 29. Criminal history category 6. That gets you at the high end of the guideline range about 15 years, which you could not get with only one count. Court, I'm sorry, maybe I'm a little confused here. We are talking about sentencing, and I'm talking about whether or not they can bring an indictment with these charges. And your argument is because there's now two 922. Well, there's 922G and a 922G3 and 924. The adding of the unlawful user and addict possession of the firearm now increases his guideline range because Attorney Blanco. So here is, I know this is more complicated. I will be happy to further believe if you reply. But the guideline range for 922-1, if you don't have multiple crimes of violence, which Mr. Hatch does not, you do not have multiple drug offenses, is pretty straightforward. In Mr. Hatch's case, the base level likely would be 20. And if that is all was the play, then the government's argument would be right. Mr. Hatch, by the filing of the second 922, is not facing additional potential penalty. The problem is that the 922 allows for the application of career offender guidelines for individuals who have 3 or more underlying drug offenses or serious drug offenses. Unfortunately, we will consider, I think in California, minor drug offenses in Louisiana are punishable up to 15 years. The statutory max Mr. Hatch faced for what we consider minor drug offenses is well beyond 10 years. All required to get him required to get him into the potential for career offender guidelines. If that's applied in this case, I would argue it should not be. The court, how does that not relate to the current charges? I mean, whether or not the courts consider him a career offender should be convicted. We are at the time of sentencing is going to be based upon this. They brought the career this nigga ass up. They brought the career Boosie up. Do y'all know what career is? Career offender? That means Boosie cannot get no less than 15 years in the feds. puts him in a guideline range in excess of 15 years. The judge say, I'm going to hold off on your vindictive because this is very complicated. And it's really talking about sentencing as opposed to what the court perceiving here. Charges, yo. So if you want to file a supplemental brief, you will have the opportunity to respond to that. I'll put this over. Boosie facing 15 to 30 years when they hit him with the new charges. I got him charged with 922, 1, 3, and 2. But if he qualifies as a career offender for purposes of sentencing, it may be completely separate. All right? They trying to career him out. September 13th. September 27th. Mr. Hatch will appear by telephone for the hearing. Boosie facing 15 to 30 years. Give it up for Onang. Boosie facing 15 to 30 years. They about to career Boosie ass up. Well, Boosie, goodbye. Goodbye, Boosie. Them folk about to knock your motherfucking head off. Them folk about to knock your head off, and them folk ain't playing with you. Them folk say Boosie facing 30 years. With the new charges, Boosie facing 30 years. All that mouth. You see how they do your ass when they get caught up? I'm just going over Sean Combs and all them before I get to the dope shit. Before I get to the dope shit. I go into the dope shit right after this. Y'all just chill out. I'm going to make it to the dope shit. United States versus Combs. Right. I got to check on all this because we've been so busy on the dope. So Combs 923. A letter by Sean Combs. A letter. He write the judge a letter. Hold on. So Puffy writing them right now. Puffy ain't got nothing going on, really. All right, we done get through all that with Puffy. Now let me show y'all something. Let's go to the news. Young Dolph kids. That's 3 hours ago. Three hours ago. Prosecution rests, meaning they stop. Judge did not. How the prosecution can rest and they ain't even got to go van. So the prosecution rests their case. Judge denied defense motion to acquit in the trial of man charged in killing rapping. We ain't see Marcus. We ain't see Govan. Y'all know Rico coming, right? Y'all ain't see Marcus. Y'all ain't see Govan. Y'all ain't see the people from the cookie shop. Y'all ain't see Shondale. Y'all ain't see Treyon. Y'all ain't see Govan. Y'all ain't see none of these people testify in this trial. And the prosecution rests their case. Lord have mercy. The prosecution rests their case. You got these dumbass bloggers tell me they don't think God is going to jail. When the motherfucking people tell y'all CMG paid for Cornelius' lawyer. They ain't say Big Joke paid for the lawyer. They say CMG paid for Cornelius' lawyer. Am I lying? Did they say CMG paid for Cornelius' lawyer? Or did they say Joke paid for it? Matter of fact, let's go back. They say CMG or Joke paid for the lawyer. They say CMG paid for the lawyer.
For those reasons, now that we understand those two.
They said CMG paid for his lawyer. That's what I heard. I don't know nothing else, but they said CMG paid for his lawyer.
Pulling up.
Did y'all?
Correct. And
He said, cut him loose and take Juke.
Johnson, for some reason you can't. I picked up in South Haven, right? Or the same day.
Nah, I ain't meet, like, what you mean by meet back?
I mean, they sat down and interviewed you in a room.
Yeah, I talked to them, he did.
And did you tell them the truth?
Nah.
Right? Because specifically, they asked you whether or not you'd ever seen that Mercedes,
Right.
and whether you'd been in it, right?
Right.
And you said, never been in it, never seen it, never been in it with Justin Johnson,
Correct.
right? Okay, just to be clear.
Correct.
How many times would you say you met with the state law enforcement included?
Talk about
right?
state law
And preparing
enforcement.
to testify to that.
Listen.
Three, 4 times.
Okay.
The man said the state, I mean law enforcement, meaning the feds. Listen.
You started telling the truth then, so
Right. He did, I did. He said, did you?
right? Okay, so whether or not you'd ever seen that Mercedes,
Right.
and whether you'd been in it, right?
Right.
And you said, never been in it, never seen it, never been in it with Justin Johnson,
Correct.
right? Okay, just to be clear.
Correct.
How many times would you say you met with the state law enforcement included, right?
The state law enforcement included. Feds. Who all believe that? Give me a thumbs up. He said state law enforcement. Feds. State law enforcement.
And he said, quit.
you've met with the state law enforcement
Law enforcement. State or law enforcement?
included, right?
Included. What the fuck you mean law enforcement included?
And preparing to testify that.
And preparing to testify today. So he met with the feds to prepare this testimony.
Couple times,
Couple times.
3 to 4 times.
3 to 4 times.
Okay. Does that include are you including that time back in December, right when you were picked up?
No.
Okay.
He ain't including that, so that's 6, 7 times.
So 3 or 4 times since.
Yeah.
Right. And one of the times you met with him was in March of 22. You remember
The indictment from June to March.
meeting with him then? Sometime around then?
I don't know the exact months and stuff like that. I got my lawyer in March, so I don't know. I can't just pinpoint exactly what month.
Well, I'll say it like this. You started out with a different lawyer and you ended up with the lawyer you have now, right?
Started out with a different lawyer, and you ended up with the lawyer you got now.
No, sir. He was never hired.
Okay, we got
So the first lawyer was never hired.
paid.
No, he did not get paid.
Did you get paid?
No,
Did you get $50,000?
He didn't get $50,000?
He did not. He ain't signed my jacket saying he represented
No, I'm
me.
asking.
I just talked to him.
That's not what I'm asking you.
Right. You asked
He
me.
got $50,000.
Said I had a different lawyer, so
Hold on just a second. Ask your question, wait for a response.
you ain't.
The original lawyer in your case got $50,000 to represent you.
Original lawyer get $50,000 in your case to represent you. So the lawyer is saying you get $50,000 to represent you.
Did he not?
Did he not?
I don't know exactly how much you get.
Oh, you don't know?
I don't know. I
Okay.
can't say.
All right. And you knew that, just we're all clear here, that money,
That money. How can bloggers say God he ain't going to jail? When, listen to this. They ain't say Big Jook paid the money. Listen to this.
came from CMG.
CMG. They ain't say the money come from Jook. Them motherfuckers say the money come from CMG. Everybody give me a thumbs up in the box. Hit the like button, gang. Hey, AK-47, you don't know what the fuck you talking about. They say the money come from CMG. Not Jook. Not CMG. I mean, not Jook. They say the money for Cornelius lawyer come from CMG, the record label. Watch this.
Right?
Yeah, I don't know exactly who,
I don't know exactly who.
but yeah.
All right. So you talked today. You got paid
You got paid for that hit.
for what you just testified to.
For what you just testified, you got paid.
Didn't you?
Out there, I was locked up.
You got paid,
My
right?
lawyer, he was paid.
My lawyer was paid.
Lawyer,
You got $50,000
You got $50,000
by a lawyer.
for that lawyer.
I didn't get it in my hand. Correct. I don't know how much it was, but correct. My lawyer.
Okay. And there's no question that that money
That money,
was for services rendered.
services rendered, a hit
Killing Dolph.
for killing Dolph.
You took it, didn't you?
He took it.
Did your conscience bother you?
Did the conscience bother you?
Come on.
Your conscience.
After I came to my senses, yeah.
Did you say, I can't have that money?
I can't have that money because it come from CMG.
I can't use that money because you still got a lawyer here.
I ain't say that.
You took the money.
You took the money.
I took the money. I got the money.
Your conscience wasn't bothering you that bad, right? You said
Your conscience ain't bothering you now.
your conscience started bothering you, but not bad enough not to take the money for the job you did.
Well, I had already did it, so might as well. You know, I got a conscience still. Because they came to my senses.
Right. Okay. So, you didn't think, man, I really shouldn't be able to keep money for killing somebody.
I shouldn't be able to take money for killing somebody.
I ain't think like that.
Now, at the end of this, you said, you're direct. You said something about, you saw a picture of the person, you said Mr. Johnson with a suitcase. And you said he
Mr. Johnson
was there with his money.
Mr. Johnson with a suitcase. Hold up.
You took it, didn't you?
Yeah.
Did your conscience bother you?
You know,
Your conscience.
after I came to my senses, yeah.
Did you say, I can't have that money? I can't use that money, because you still got a lawyer here.
Nah, I ain't say that.
You took the money.
Yeah, I took the money.
You took the hit money
I got the money.
Your conscience wouldn't bother you
from CMG.
that bad, right? You said your
Not Jook.
conscience started bothering you, but not
So Unc ain't Jook.
bad enough not to take the money for the job you did.
Unc is not Jook. Because he said the money come from CMG.
Well, I had already did it, so might as well. You know, I got a conscience still. Because they came to my senses.
Right. Okay. So,
The lawyer sell him out. Cornelius' lawyer sell him out. Cornelius' lawyer said, this motherfucker give me $50,000. CMG.
he didn't think, man, I really shouldn't be able to keep money for killing somebody.
I ain't think like that.
Now, at the end of this, you said, you're direct. You said something about, you saw a picture of the person, you said Mr. Johnson with a
With a suitcase. Mr. Johnson with a suitcase.
suitcase. And you said, he was there with his money,
He was there with his money.
getting out of town.
Getting out of town. He had a suitcase with his money. So the street drop had his money in the suitcase getting out of town.
To be clear, you don't have any direct knowledge of Justin Johnson getting a dime for this, right?
Nah, I ain't have nothing.
Okay. So you can't say he's leaving with his money, right?
Right.
Okay. Now, a couple other things specifically. When you as you say it, let's kind of put a timing on this. So you said March, you got your current lawyer,
March, you got your current lawyer.
and you went back and met with the government again.
And you went back and met with the government again. Not the state. The government. Everybody say Rico. He say the government. You got your money. And you met back with the government again. Everybody say Rico. Cornelius met with the government. Not the state. The government.
Right? Or the state.
Oh, he said, oh, not a state, not a state. Watch this.
Well,
I don't know what.
He fucked up and said government, and he tried to correct it. He know he wasn't supposed to say that in court. He know he wasn't supposed to say that, so he fucked up. Look.
Yeah, and then just had sent me a letter saying, I got the money.
your conscience wouldn't bother you. You took it, didn't you?
Did. So all the way up, I ain't in my senses like, did. So all the way up, I ain't in my senses like, I was wrong.
Okay. So you got December is when you go to jail. December 9th.
Yeah, December 9th.
So a couple of months from then. You sober up, that's when you come to your senses.
Yeah, and then just had sent me a letter saying,
Well, I'm not asking you what Justin sent you a letter saying.
what automatically made me come to my senses and like, you know, it was wrong. You know what I'm saying? When he said, cut him loose, take the juke, and quit down with me.
You said, you're direct. You said something about, you saw a picture of the person, you said Mr. Johnson with a suitcase. And you said, he was there with his money, getting out
He was there with his money,
of town.
getting out of town.
To be clear, you don't have any direct knowledge of Justin Johnson getting a dime
Justin ain't getting no money.
for this, right?
Nah, I ain't have nothing.
Okay. So you can't say he's leaving with his money, right?
Right.
Okay. Now, a couple other things specifically. When you as you say it, let's kind of put a timing on this. So you said March, you got your current lawyer, and you went back and met with the government again, right?
The government.
State.
He said government.
Wow.
I don't know what month.
Yeah. A couple other things specifically. When you, as you say it, let's kind of put a timing on this. You said March, you got your current lawyer, and you went back and met with the government again.
Went back and met with the government again.
Right? Or the state.
He said government. He said no, the state.
Wow.
I don't know what month. Like I said, I can't say where like they come in.
But if I told you you met with law enforcement around March 13th of 22, does that sound about right?
I can't put the date on it.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, let me ask you this. You said you had a change of heart and your conscience started getting to you. You wanted to tell the truth. When did that happen?
Like a couple months after I sobered all the way up, while I was in jail, I sobered all the way up.
I sobered up.
I ain't in my senses like you were wrong.
Okay. So you got December is when you go to jail. December 9th?
Yeah, December 9th.
So a couple of months from then. You sober up, that's when you come to your senses.
Yeah, and then just had sent me a letter saying,
Justice sent me a letter.
Well, I'm not asking
He ratting and the man ain't even asking that.
you what Justin sent you a
I'm
letter
saying
saying.
what automatically made me come to my senses and like,
And he's still going. He's up with Justice sent me a letter. That one made me come to my senses. No, I thought.
you know, it was wrong. You know what I'm saying? When he said, cut him loose, take the
Cut him loose. So Justice give him the plan. Cut him loose and take Juke down.
and quit down with
And quit down.
Tell me,
You were going to go over there and wipe that car down.
why did I get it? He said, did you get it?
Okay, so you didn't think, man, I really shouldn't be able to keep money for killing somebody.
I didn't think like that.
Now, at the end of this,
Juke get killed in January.
you said, you're direct. You said something about, you saw a picture of the person, you said Mr. Johnson with a suitcase. And you said he was there with his money getting out of town. To be clear, you don't have any direct knowledge of Justin Johnson getting a dime for this, right?
Nah, I ain't have nothing.
Okay. So you can't say he's leaving with his money, right?
Right.
Okay. Now, a couple other things specifically. When you, as you say it, let's kind of put a timing on this. So you said March, you got your current lawyer, and you went back and met with the government again,
Government.
right? Or the state.
Yeah,
Wow.
I don't know what month. Like I said, I can't say where like they come in.
But if I told you you met with law enforcement around March 13th of 22, does that sound about right?
I can't put the date on it.
Okay.
Man.
Well, let me ask you this. You said you had a change of heart
That nigga to my I could be capping now.
and your conscience started getting to you. You wanted to tell the truth. When did that happen?
Like a couple months after I sobered all the way up, while I was in jail, I sobered all the way up. I ain't in my senses like you were wrong.
Okay. So you got December is when you go to jail. December 9th.
Yeah, December 9th.
So a couple months from then. You sober up, that's when you come to your senses.
Yeah, and then just had sent me a letter saying,
Well, I'm not asking you what Justin sent you a letter saying.
what automatically made me come to my senses and like, you know, it was wrong. You know what I'm saying? When he said, cut him loose, take the juke,
Snitching.
and quit down with me.
Cut him loose and take Juke and quit down with me. So that been the plot. Cut, street drop loose, and take quit.
Let me ask you this. Did you get it directly from Justin Johnson, this card you're talking about?
Messing with it.
Oh, you mean tell the truth? Because he didn't have anything to do with it. Tell the truth.
Nah, he's saying me take the downfall.
Oh.
Cut him loose, let him go.
Okay.
And tell them that quit and him change clothes. And quit with me instead of him.
Okay. Let me ask you this. Did you get it directly from Justin Johnson, this kite you're talking about?
You know, we got rock me in the stuff, but we were talking through the vent. I was in his part, he was in his part. We were talking through the vent.
Did you get it directly from Justin Johnson?
Nah.
Did you see him write it?
Did I get it? He said, did you get that? Did you get that?
Did you get that?
Did you see him write it?
Nah, I ain't see him right. I mean, another part. We
Right, you can't even see him. You could.
Asked me, did I get that pipe?
Okay.
He sent me more than one. He sent another one and said he got 7K. I could take that. I'll leave.
Where's that?
I don't know where it's at.
You lost it?
Nah. I sent it on out to my folks.
Okay.
Sent
All
it
right.
on out to my folks. My sister.
Okay. So you started telling the truth then. So surely by August, you met with the state in August 10th of 22. Surely by then you're telling the truth.
You met with the state in August 22. So who the fuck you met with in March of 22? The government.
And you would agree with me, the truth doesn't change. It's the truth, right?
Yeah, it's the truth. You know, Quit brought me in and
Quit
said
brought me
the
in.
police to camp me, so you might well tell the truth. We gonna tell the truth.
Okay. Right.
He did I get it? He said, did you get that? Did you get that pipe?
Did you see him write it?
Nah, I ain't see him right. I mean, another part.
Right, you can't even see him. You could.
Asked me, did I get that pipe?
Okay.
He sent me more than one. He sent another one and said he got 7K. I could take that. I'll leave.
Where's that?
I don't know where it's at.
You lost it?
Nah. I sent it on out to my folks.
Okay.
Sent
All
it
right.
on out to my folks. My sister.
Okay. So you started telling the truth then. So surely by August, you met with the state in August 10th of 22. Surely by then you're telling the truth. And you would agree with me, the truth doesn't change. It's the truth, right?
Yeah, it's the truth. You know, Quit brought me in and set me up for the police to camp me, so.
Quit brought me in and set me up for the police. Y'all hear it? He said Quit brought him in and set him up for the police. Just like he did T-Rex, Terrence, y'all, bro. He said Cornelius said Quit brought me in and set me up for the police. So I might as well tell it all. So Cornelius saying Quit set him up. Y'all hear that, right? Everybody hear that? Give me a thumbs up. Cornelius saying Quit set him up. Quit set him up. This is what Cornelius saying. He was set up by Quit. Listen to this.
Detectives, when I talk to them, why am I messing with them?
Oh, you mean tell the truth? Because he didn't have anything to do with it. Tell the truth.
Nah, he's saying me take the downfall.
Oh, okay.
Cut him loose, let him go.
Okay.
And tell them that Quit and him change clothes and Quit was with me instead of him.
Okay. Let me ask you this. Did you get it directly from Justin Johnson, this kite you're talking about?
You know, we got rock me in the stuff, but we were talking through the vent. I was in his part, he was in his part. We were talking through the vent.
Did you get it directly from Justin Johnson?
Nah.
Did you see him write it?
Did I get it? He said, did you get that? Did you get that pipe?
Did you see him write it?
Nah, I ain't see him right. I mean, another part.
Right, you can't even see him. You could.
Asked me, did I get that pipe?
Okay.
He sent me more than one. He sent another one and said he got 7K. I could take that. I'll leave.
Where's that?
I don't know where it's at.
You lost it?
Nah. I sent it on out to my folks.
Okay.
Sent
All
it on
right.
out to my folks, my sister.
Okay. So you started telling the truth then. So surely by August, you met with the state in August.
You met with the state in August.
August 10th of 20.
Not March.
Surely by then you're telling the truth.
Yeah, you don't tell the truth.
And you would agree with me, the truth doesn't change. It's the truth, right?
Yeah, it's the truth. You know,
Quit.
brought me in
and
set me up for
set me up.
police.
Quit brought me in and set me up for the police. Quit brought me in and set me up. I tell y'all, Quit been the police. Cornelius said, Quit. Cornelius ain't break. Cornelius ain't break. Cornelius kept his mouth closed. But Quit and Quit's sister come on here and told y'all what he been gonna do. Nicole came up here and said, my brother gonna tell.
He kept me, so might as well tell the truth.
Might as well tell the truth since the nigga set me up.
If we gonna tell.
If we gonna tell the truth.
Okay. So, today, for the first time ever, you testified that you wiped that Mercedes down.
Yeah.
You've never said that before.
No, I ain't know.
You've never told them. You never told them that you wiped that Mercedes down?
I never told detectives when I talked to them. Nah.
Why would you not tell them? They've asked you every question under the sun about this case, right?
I said detectives. I never admitted that I was involved to detectives when I first got locked up December 9th.
You know they take notes and they recorded your entire interview.
Right.
From August.
Right.
Why didn't you tell them in August you wiped the car down?
Cornelius is a fall guy. This ain't right.
We were talking about so much, you know,
You talking about so much.
shit my man from.
Cornelius a fall guy, man.
And they specifically asked you, and you said
They ain't asked me that when you cut it. Ain't specifically
you don't recall them asking you and you saying Justin said he had someone wipe the car down.
Yeah, he told me he had somebody wipe the car down too.
But you didn't think to ask him,
I
right?
told him that I wiped it down. He said he used the right stuff because I got somebody else wipe it down. You know what I'm saying?
So now you're saying you told Justin that you went and wiped it down.
Yeah, I told him too.
Why didn't you tell that to law enforcement who's seeking the truth from you, right?
That was stuff slip a person mind too. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Kind of an important detail.
like they ain't asked me did I wipe the car down. So
You don't think so?
I don't recall.
Okay. Well, your fingerprints are on that car,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
So when did you go do that?
Like a couple days after the shooting.
Did you tell Quet? Did you go by Quet's house?
Yeah, I ain't called quick and told him that I was finna walk in their backyard so he'll know who walking over there. I ain't called him.
So you called him, you let him know, you walked through his backyard.
Not through his backyard. That I was finna walk in the backyard where the car was in.
Okay. Why would you need to tell Quet you were going to be at the car across the street?
Because he got cameras. So I ain't want to think nobody trying to get him enough
So the police ain't take quick cameras.
to get shooting at me. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Like, let him know
So there been the police involved.
what's up.
And just to be clear, does he have cameras on the abandoned house, or you're just saying shooting out from facing out from his house?
I don't get it out.
Okay.
Quick got cameras facing from his house.
Yeah.
But testimony today is you called Quet and told him you were going to go over there and wipe that car down. Okay. And you didn't tell law enforcement that either. Does that surprise you that you wouldn't have told them, hey, I even called Quet and told him I was going to go over and do it?
Nah, because, you know, like I say, stuff slip a person mind at the time, you know what I'm saying? Like, when law enforcement talking to me, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't just finna remember everything bit for bit right then and there, you know what I'm saying?
Well, yeah, 3 or 4 times, as you said it, right? To meet with them, to go over it, to think about it. You were able to talk with counsel before you went into this. You were able to look at paperwork before you went in, right?
Before I went in with.
And met with them.
Yeah, what you mean though? What you saying? Like, what you saying?
Wait, Cornelius a gangster. Cornelius, what the fuck you mean? Fuck you saying?
It just slipped your mind.
Nah, what you saying? Like,
Nah, what you really trying to say?
No,
What slipped my mind? What you seen?
What you saying, nigga?
tell them all the details.
Yeah, I couldn't just remember detail like that.
Cornbread, it's a little spicy there.
Because it's hard to.
Hey, cornbread a little spicy there, man. Cornbread might not be what you think it is. Cornbread said I put them bullet in dope, nigga. I put them bullet in your ass. Fuck you mean, nigga. That nigga turned into gunner.
Keep up with details when you're lying. You would agree with that, right?
Nah.
No?
Nah, when you tell the truth, like,
Okay.
It's like, it's hard to keep up with
Uh-huh.
details.
So, you say that one just slipped your mind. Okay. You didn't bring it up, they didn't ask you. You just slipped your mind. Okay.
I answered the question they asked me correctly, you know, like, they ain't asked me, if I don't recall them asking me, I ain't answering.
They ain't asked me shit, I ain't answering.
So, law enforcement specifically asked
Law enforcement.
you about this $800.
Have y'all seen any cover up in this case so far? They done arrest their case. And y'all ain't seen no evidence of a cover up. You know what a cover up coming at? On the Rico. Red van. Y'all ain't get away. I'ma show you why.
That you got after the shooting, right?
Right.
And today, I just want to make clear, you're saying that $500 was hand-delivered by Justin with a letter to your neighbor.
Right.
And her name, just to be clear, is Vivian Fifi, right?
Correct.
Lives next door to your dad.
Correct.
And you know that happened, correct?
Correct.
You say you were on the phone with Justin and Miss Fifi when that was happening.
$500.
Correct.
And to confirm that Miss Fifi actually got the money.
Miss Fifi get $500 for killing Dolph.
Correct.
Okay? Now,
Them boy killed Dolph with some dope fiend money.
but you would agree with me that's not the story you first told law enforcement, right?
I don't recall.
You don't recall?
I can't
That nigga named Woody, he don't recall.
say he's correct in that, because I don't know what I told them, like, when I first talked to him.
But is that
I
the
can't
truth?
recall the interview that I had with them back then, so I can't say if it's correct or it's not.
Okay. Well, did you tell them that you told them the truth, right?
Yeah, I told them the truth.
All right.
I told them.
How you told him the truth if you say it take you a couple months to get the truth?
So, in that same interview, if that's the truth with Miss Fifi, in that same interview earlier, why would you tell them that some masked man came in a Chrysler 300 on two?
A masked man in a Chrysler 300. A masked man in a Chrysler 300. Tippy two or 300. A masked man in a Chrysler 300. Tippy two. In the 300.
We did. Yeah.
light skinned dude that a masked man in a crisis behind. Now,
Well, you know, we're at a point.
look at this pocket bulging right.
I have to believe something. Obviously, out of that 72-hour range.
A masked man in a crisis 300. Masked tippy toe. Driving a 300. A masked man in a 300. Right there. And now, you got this. It's a masked man and 300. So let's pay attention to this. A masked man and 300. Is this the same person? Is this the same person as this? Is this the same person as this? A masked man in 300. Is this the same person as this? Are those the two same people right there? Who need my help? Is this the same person? Right here. A masked man in a 300. Is this the same person again? Now let me show y'all something. Now when we did the tippy toe situation, right? When we did the tippy toe situation, we had to analyze all three shooters. Now the only way we could analyze all three shooters was one way. Now, we tracked them down. Me, Young Dolph, and Saul, and a couple other bloggers, right? We tracked them down. But the only way that we could track them down to see the difference in two shooters versus three. So everybody have to hit the like button. Two shooters versus three. So it's going to be hard to tell two shooters versus three, right? Two shooters versus three. So they say the masked man in the crisis 300. So it's going to be kind of hard to do that. But I must say, as the camera moves on a different angle, you might say, hell no, that's the same person. Now I can see a lot of people out here saying, that's the same person. Right? So let me show y'all something. Y'all ready for this? Hit the like button. Are y'all ready for this game? Are y'all ready for this? Y'all ain't ready. So to make the comparison to see if these two people had ever changed positions. So we see a fat dude go to a skinny dude right here. So that kind of leads us to believe this is the cover up, the video of Young Dolph assassination. Who all believe the video of Young Dolph's assassination is the cover up? The feds know the video ain't right. They know that. They know the video ain't right. That ain't nothing new. They know the video ain't right. They know the video ain't right. Let's just get that out there for one. They know the video ain't right. So the only way to tell is those are separate people. The only way to really tell if those are separate people. We're just ordinary people. Don't know which way to go. We're just ordinary people. Don't know which way to go. So we have to have some type of evidence to say they're lying, right? We got to have some type of evidence, Memphis, to say they're lying. We can't just call them a liar because they only show us two shooters. Now, I done had the video with the police. They not confirm him, name him Pigeon too. All that. The police done nickname him Pigeon too. The police said, yeah, that's Pigeon too. He said, that's great work. I didn't notice that. I didn't notice that on that. I didn't notice that. All right, here you go, gang. This is for all my day ones, twos, and threes. Shout out to all my day ones, twos, and threes, and fours, and fives, and sixes, and sevens, 8, 9s, 10s, and 11s. Okay. All my day ones, twos, threes, fours, fives, 6, 7s. All my did 1s, 2s, 3s, and 4s, 5, 6, 7. So they saying it been only 2 shooters. Only 2 shooters. That's what they saying. Only 2 shooters. That's all it is.
Control the producer. Control the producer. Control the producer.
All I had left to mention.
Control the producer. Control the producer.
All I had left to mention was his voice in my head saying that he was gonna meet up with Rico that night.
Good. You know I got all my niggas looking for the little nigga man, B. Sonny like my little brother too. Anything you need, let me know.
Look, baby, because I need your help, baby. I need you to help me sell these 14 keys so I can get this ransom money for Sonny, man.
You got 14 bricks right there?
Yeah.
Put it to a fake.
Yeah, man, but look, once we get my little brother back, man, we right the fuck back on, baby. We right the fuck back on once I get Sonny's whole business.
Hey, yo, hey. What up? Right, bitch? Nah, man. Fucked up.
Control the producer.
I'm fucked up over the shit too, B. Who murdered them niggas who did that shit to Mitch, B?
Gang, gang! Y'all stand the fuck up right now. On there, got 3 different shoes right here. Fuck what they talk about. Fuck what they talk about, gang.
I know he had the fucking keys in there with him, man. Now, you know, I gotta get the money or the keys, man, to pay this connect back, man. Yo, B, why you ain't call me on that shit, B? You know I would've went with that nigga Mitch and made that shit happen. I know, man. That's what I mean. I fucked up. Talked to Mitch yesterday. I ain't talked to Mitch. You see that nigga the whole goddamn day yesterday, B. What happened to your face, man? What? I said, what happened to your face? Shit. This wild ass bitch. Nah, man. Boy, you wild motherfucker, man. Yeah. Videotape that shit. Think you know me and shit. I ain't take that shit last night, B.
All I had left to mention was his voice in my head saying that he was gonna meet up with Rico that night.
Good. You know I got all my niggas looking for the little nigga man, B. Sonny like my little brother too. Anything you need, let me know.
Look, baby, help me. I need you to help me sell these 14 keys so I can get this ransom money for Sonny, man.
You got 14 bricks right there?
Yeah.
Put you a fake?
Yeah, man, but look, B. Once we get my little brother back, man, we right the fuck back on, baby. We right the fuck back on once I get Sonny. It's gonna be business.
All I had left
to Mitch was his voice in my head, saying that he was gonna meet up with Rico that night. Sell these 14 keys so I can get this ransom money for Sonny, man.
You got 14 bricks right there?
Yeah.
Put you a fake?
Yeah, man, but look, B. Once we get my little brother back, man, we right the fuck back on, baby. We right the fuck back on once I get Sonny. It's gonna be business.
Hey, yo, hey. What up? Like this?
How the fuck they gonna deny that? This shit like Mary J. Blige. How can you deny your own flesh and blood? Look, fat, tippy toe, edited, tippy toe, turned into Bang Wing. I still believe this Bang Wing. And you can see the dreads coming off him. Look at the dreads fly. And his hat fly off. Look. Hat. All right, gang, Mike. Lightning out here. All kind of shit. Hold on. Lightning out here. So y'all bear with me. We got lightning and shit. It's a storm. It's a storm going on right now. It's a storm going on right now. So there you go. Sorry, y'all. It's a storm going on. The power going on and all. So how you get from this to this? Look at his legs. Nothing today. All right. So let me show y'all something.
For those reasons.
Now they showing this.
They're going to gun Dolph down.
Look at it.
Inside the business. He has walked over to sort of where the bathrooms are in the business.
So he walked over.
He's as close as I am to y'all. There's the window.
Y'all ain't hit us. He said Dolph walked by the bathroom. This the cover up. He said Dolph walked by the bathroom. He said while the man was shooting right here, Dolph walked by the bathroom. Where that back door at, and two bathrooms right there. Listen to this.
Automatic weapon. For his brother, his friend. This thing that we're about to watch has had a terrible impact on Marcus.
Terrible impact on Marcus.
Not just his brother and his
Not just his brother.
friend, but he also works security for them.
Security for them. Watch this.
In fact, as Marcus walks in this cookie store, he has a gun on his person.
He has a gun on him.
And he has another gun in the car.
In the car.
Dolph is well aware.
Dolph is well aware.
Well aware of the threats and the violence from CMG that were constant.
From CMG, not Joke. CMG. That were constantly
hanging over him.
Hanging over him. Dolph was well aware of CMG beef.
And his people.
Not Joke, CMG.
We'll wait 30 seconds.
This one's Creed Drop, get the car.
So there.
just drove up. Came from this side of the parking lot. It actually been following Dolph on the street. When Dolph turned in, it went up to this light where it got stopped for a few seconds.
So they said the car been following him. Said they ain't bumping to him. They been following him.
And then came around. It's a white Mercedes. There's other pictures where you'll be able to see it more clearly. But it's a white Mercedes with back end damage back here on the back.
He at the front door. Is that not the front door, y'all? He at the front door.
Passenger side of the car. It's a stolen car. It's a stolen car that...
Y'all think Cornelius' goofy ass could actually kill Dolph? Who all believe that Cornelius' goofy ass could actually kill Dolph? Who believed that Cornelius' goofy ass that couldn't even shoot a gun like this could kill Dolph and hit him 22 times exactly? Who believed that Cornelius, who said he never shot a gun like this before in his life, never shot. So the shooter, you seen with this gun, say he ain't never shot a gun like this in his life. And he hit Dolph 22, down there 22 times. Y'all believe this shit? And the girl say been 2 carloads of niggas. We can't see the Family Dollar sign. Watch this.
Our defendant here, Justin Johnson, traded for one car for another at a gas station about 10 hours. This is because they got Cornelius to whoever business
And what Mr. Johnson wants, different.
Damn, Flipper. God damn, Flipper. Look at the white truck behind him. Back it up for a second.
Okay. And that is something he had several of his vehicles in?
Yes, sir.
Look at the timestamp. 1221. That the white Chrysler? Look at the white Chrysler right there. Look, y'all. Hold up. Is that a white Chrysler? Is that a white Chrysler? Is that a white Chrysler right there? Passing. Oh. What is that? how slow they pulling up in there. Look how slow they pulling up in there, bro. Hold up, watch this. Let me put this to regular speed. Regular speed. Look. Them niggas pulling up in there slow.
Alright, you can stop there. Are you familiar with this car?
Yes, sir.
Whose car is that?
Y'all know.
It's one of those new Corvettes.
Yes, sir.
I see that it has a either paint job or a wrap or something on it, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about that.
It's just, he wrapped a lot of his cars.
Okay.
Camouflage.
Okay, so it's like a white and blue sort of camouflage pattern?
No, it's more like white and green.
Okay. And that is something he had several of his vehicles in?
Yes, sir.
I want to look at a time stamp real quick. Hold on. Somebody sent me a picture with a time stamp, so I want to see this real quick. I put it up on the board earlier. Because these niggas be playing with these photos and shit. $12/21/56. All right, look. So this is what we gonna do. 12/21/56. 12/21/56. $12/21/56. Pay attention to this game. 12/21/56. Pay attention to this. They say the car pull up at 12/21/56. Right here. Pay attention to this. 12/21/56.
Okay. And that is something
Look at the time on the clock.
he had
Look at the seconds on the clock.
several of his vehicles in?
Yes, sir.
Watch the seconds on the clock. So 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, don't step out the car. 21/56, don't step out the car. 57, he ain't out yet. He ain't out yet. 56, 57. 58, he ain't out yet. 59, he ain't out yet. 12/22 exactly, he's stepping out the car. 12/22 1.
All right.
12/22 2.
You stop it there.
So this picture couldn't be true. Because they say, don't step out the car at, well, 12/21/56, right? And then they say in the store, it's 12/21/56. So let's wait till he get in the store.
Who is that? Is that the car arriving?
Yes, sir.
Do you know where they were arriving from?
No, sir.
Look at the clock, 12/21/18.
Do you know if Dolph had been to makedas before?
Yes, sir.
Had you ever been there with him?
No, sir.
Had you ever even tried the cookies there?
No, sir.
Did he ever talk to you about the cookies?
Yes, sir.
Holy shit! Oh my goodness! 12/21/51. Oh my God. How could the time change like that? Dolph ain't get out the car at 12/21/56.
Say Dolph.
Yes, sir.
Who the fuck find that? Oh my goodness. They altered the video. Oh Lord Jesus. Oh, I'm done. I don't even want to go past this right here. Holy shit. Holy shit. Dolph ain't get out the car at 12/21/56. How the fuck the clock showing? 12/21/56 and he's standing at the corner. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. This tells you the altered the video. Memphis! Memphis! Lord, they caught. They caught. They caught Memphis. They is caught. Ain't no way. And holy heavens, the Megatron. Holy smoke, Batman. Holy smoke, Batman. Holy smoke, Batman. 12/21/56. And Dolph in the store at 12/21/56. Holy smoke, Batman. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Well, Raven, time to pack your bags. Time to pack your bags, Raven. Time to pack your bags. Gang, Memphis, time for the cookie shop to pack up and get the fuck out of town. Time for the cookie shop to pack up and get the fuck out of town. Time for the cookie shop to pack up and get the fuck out of town. Oh my God. Ain't no way in holy hell you walk in the store at the same time you getting out the car. Well, tractor trailer, can you explain this? Because I damn sure want to know. I damn sure want to know how this happened right here. I damn sure want to know how this happened. The boy said it's a rap. Call it federales. Gabriel said it's a rap. Call it federale. Holy shit. Heavens to Megatron. To different systems. Two different systems. Pow. Ah. Him losing his life behind my cookies, you know. Oh, shit. We just watched this shit real time. We just watched this shit real time. Men lie. Women lie. But numbers don't lie. The cookie shop, y'all busted. You bitches for playing with on that in the game. That's what you get. That's what you get. It's hard for me, you know. Him losing his life behind my cookies, you know. How could Dolph be in the car and in the building at the same damn second time? Everything. Lord Jesus, I'm done. I'm done. Look at this. $12.21.56 in the building, bro. Ooh, oh, Lord, Lord. No wonder y'all had to go on a break after that.
Do you know if Dolph had been to makedas before?
Yes, sir.
Had you ever been there with him?
No, sir.
Had you ever even tried the cookies there?
No, sir.
He ever talked to you about the cookies?
Yes, sir.
Say Dolph.
Yes, sir.
12/21/56. Standing at the counter. $12.21/56. Outside the car. Oh. Oh. Memphis, I'm about to throw up. Y'all can give me a second. I got a Ralph. Okay? Y'all give me 1 second. I just got to throw up right now. My whole stomach just turned upside down. I got to throw up right now. So y'all let me go throw up and I'll be right back. All right? Give me 2 seconds. I'm dead serious. I'm about to throw the fuck up. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to the bathroom to throw up. Y'all look at this. I am done. I don't even want to go no more on this live. I done had enough, man. I can't even fathom this shit right here. I can't even fathom this shit right here. The time stamps on this shit. I'm done. I done threw up. Tell Raven, bring her fucking ass here. Y'all call Raven right now. Tell that fucking fat ass Cookie Monster to get the fuck right here right now. Tell the fat ass Cookie Monster report here expeditiously. Anybody know Raven in the box? Anybody know Raven family in the box? Tell her to report expeditiously. Hey, y'all pass this all around Memphis. Pass this all around the world, nigga. Make sure everybody you know see this video. Can y'all do that for me? Put a thumbs up in the box. Y'all pass this all around the world. Show it to everybody they caught. The Cookie Monsters caught for altering the video. Them or MPD alter the video of Young Dolph. Can anybody? Mia J. Lord, with Mia J. Lord, with Dolph Mama at. Oh, Jesus. Somebody help me. Somebody help me right now. It's over with. They got caught. They got caught. The cameras got to have the same time. Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I can't take this no more. I love y'all again, but I can't go no further than this. I gotta process this, y'all. I love y'all, man. I gotta process this, bro. I just sit here and witness this shit with my own two eyes. 12/21/56. Dolph outside. Dolph outside. Look. Dolph outside at 12/21/56. Look.
Did a paint job or a wrap or something on it, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about that.
It's just, he wrapped a lot of his cars.
Okay.
Camouflage.
Okay, so it's like a count of white and blue sort of.
It's 12/22/05 and Dolph walking in the building. Lord Jesus. Oh. Oh.
Who is that?
Then I cut my computer off. Look.
That's his brother.
Is his brother's name Marcus?
Yes, sir.
Do you know Marcus?
Yes, sir.
12/22/09. Dolph ain't even in the building.
Is this event happens quick? Let's go inside here. Let's just leave it up inside. Is that the car arriving?
Yes, sir.
Do you know where they were arriving from?
No, sir, I don't.
Do you know if Dolph had been to makedas before?
Yes, sir.
Had you ever been there with him?
No, sir.
Had you ever even tried the cookies there?
No, sir.
He ever talked to you about the cookies?
Yes, sir.
Say Dolph.
Yes, sir.
This shit hurt, man. We just watched them Cookie Monsters fuck over the video in our own eyes, man. 12/21/56. 12/21/56. This is your cover up. This is your cover up. This is your cover up, okay? Y'all pass this on to the whole Memphis, man. The cookie shop, they can't sell no more cookies in Memphis, bro. The cookie shop, Memphis, y'all motherfuckers, y'all let them niggas sell cookies in Memphis after this shit right here. After this video right here. If they got a business after this, y'all some sorry motherfuckers. Now, I ain't telling you go put no violence on them. I ain't saying that. I'm saying if Memphis stand for this shit, y'all some sorry motherfuckers. Because we just show it to you. Y'all some sorry motherfuckers. All that shooting and shit y'all got going on here. Y'all some sorry motherfuckers. And I'm not telling you to commit no violence against the cookie shop. Y'all can protest. Y'all can call the feds. Y'all can bring this to the police attention. Y'all can do whatever. I'm not inciting no violence on them people. But if they remain to sell cookies after this video, they some bad motherfuckers. Shut your mouth. They can't argue the timestamp. One of the numbers black, one of the numbers white. They did pull Adolph wrong. They hacked the video on Adolph. They hacked the video on Adolph murder. That's why they say it happened fast. I don't know if the police know. I don't know if the police catch this. It's not my job. But I bring it to y'all. And y'all can call in and report it to the feds, report it to Memphis Police Department, report it to whoever you want to, but I don't know if they know this. So I'm just putting it here for y'all. Who all can agree with me right now? The cookie shop involved. If you believe the cookie shop involved with this day cameras, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up and hit the like button. It's over, man. I'm sorry, y'all. My stomach hurting. I can't take no more of this shit. I can't take no more of this shit. I got to go regather myself. Lord, you know it's all over now. On that in the gang, stand up right now. OTG, man, what's up, gang? Let's go. My guys, that's what I'm doing, man.
And getting high when I cry, it's the end of my life. God, please let me make it so that things can be right. My mama told me use my talent so that I could be rich. And if they don't give me nothing, I can keep making hits. When I came home, it was on. This on the phone, it was about a name Mike. Telling me that it's on. Said with your talent and my speeds, you pay all the bills. But you gotta keep it real, and the key is to chill. Later on in life, they say the jinx is gonna be alright. See when you shine, you gon' blind because your stuff gon' be tight.
Gang. Come on, man. Y'all turn up right now, man. Let's go, gang. Somebody tell me a J. Hold on.
Shed so many tears, cause of my drug habit, living in the dark, and I'm feeling the pain inside my brain. It really hurts. The water said you got a problem and it's getting worse. Who can I tell that God was born with an evil curse?
Somebody tell me a J. She need to report to on that game. And it's for real, man. Like, listen, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, this shit really hurtful right here, man. I'm in tears right now. I can't believe this shit, bro. This shit hurt my fucking heart, bro. Them cookie motherfuckers. Some dirty motherfuckers, bro. This shit got me in tears, bro. About this shit. I'm gonna be a man and stand up, because they say a man ain't supposed to cry. But Lord have mercy. This hurt me to the soul, man. This shit hurt me like how I've been hurt when my son, when I get the news from my son, man. This shit got my heart hurting right here. I can't believe them people did this shit, bro. And they got caught doing this shit, bro. And nobody want to bring justice on them. This shit fucked up, bro. This is fucked up. This man been cheated out of his life, bro. His kids, his family.
that shit's busting, something's telling me to kill myself. That's how I felt, something was telling me I ain't gon' make it. He said he'll give me one more chance, so I better take it. Got on my knees, hey Lord, I come as your child. Kill all the lies and the pains and make my mama proud. I remember times that I said I quit, but as I said I quit, I'm still smoking on the split. Ain't that a trip? Ran out of time and I'm out of money. My high gone all alone, looking like a dummy. I can't go home, something's missing, so they said I get it. So let's go get it. And somebody said they see me with
Lord,
it.
this
You
shit
best
fucked
be cool
up,
and saying that I ain't gonna learn my lesson. Put on my vest in case they hit me with a Smith and Wesson. Trying to come test me, God bless me, come show me the way. Turn my life around so I can see a better day.
Come on, Gary, man. Boy, that's a hurtful feeling right here, man. This shit right here fucked up, man. This shit fucked up, man. This shit fucked up. Sorry, y'all, man. I got too emotional on this shit right here, man. Dolph been too good for this shit right here, man.
In jail, doing bad, never had, cause nobody cared. And getting high when I cry, it's the end of my life. God, please let me make it so that things can be right. My mama told me use my talent so that I can be rich. And if they don't give me nothing, I can keep making hits. When I came home, it was on. Just on the phone, it was a ballin' name like telling me that it's on. Said with your talent and my skills, you pay all the bills. But you gotta keep it real, and the kids to chill. Later on in life, say the jinx is gonna be alright. See when you shine, you gon' blind because your stuff gon' be tight.
I know we would have found it, man. I know God been gonna bring it, man. I know God been gonna bring it to me because I've been too good, man. I know God been gonna bring it to me, man. I prayed for this shit right here, man. I know God been gonna bring it to us, gang. I put them Dolphins in that box. Y'all put them Dolphins in that box, man. I'm sorry for y'all, man. Like, I got too emotional. That shit hurt my heart, man. I ain't even gonna lie. Because his family, his son, his daughter, Treacher and Ari, and his mom and his family been cheated out of his life. Cheated out of his life by some greedy people. And I've been on his case for 3 years, man. 3 fucking years. And these people manipulated us for 3 years. Manipulated us. They talk about my kids. I went through hell with these fucking people, bro. On the internet, I went through hell with these people. And they've been dirty all along, just like I told you. I went through it with Skull, went through it with everybody. And y'all just see that shit with your own eyes. You don't need no judge in here. God the only judge. I don't know what to say. I do not know what to say. That right there just fucked me all up, man. All this work I put in. And these people play with us, bro. These people play with us like we've been nothing. Long live Dolph, man. Long live Flipper, man.
Over the years, shed so many tears, 'cause of my drug habit, living in the dark, and I'm feeling the pain inside my brain. It really hurts. The water said you got a problem and it's getting worse. Who can I tell that I was born with an evil curse? What can be worse to see my face up on this t-shirt? From doing dirt, my mama's fussing, telling me get help. But if she's fussing something's telling me to kill myself. That's how I felt. Something was telling me I ain't gon' make it. He said he'll give me one more chance, so I better take it. Got on my knees, hey Lord, I come as your child. Kill all the lies and the pains and make my mama proud.
Do this shit, man.
I remember times that I said I quit, but as I said I quit, I'm still smoking on the split. Ain't that a trip? Ran out of time and I'm out of money. My high gone all alone, looking like a dummy. I can't go home, something's missing, so they said I get it. So let's go get it. There's somebody said they see me with it. You best to quit it, saying that I ain't gonna learn my lesson. Put on my best.
That's Dolph. Look at the hand, man. Look at the hand. That's Dolph.
Come test me, God bless me, come show me the way.
Look at his hand. That's Dolph, Mo Walker. Don't get put out. That's Dolph. Look at his hand, dog. Good time out, man. That's Dolph right there, man. That's Dolph right there, dog. That Flipper right there, man. That Flipper right there, homie. You don't know Flipper. If you don't know, that's Flipper. That's Flipper right there, man. That's Flipper right there, man.
Lord, you know it's so long now. All the crying and hurting. Yeah, yeah. Lord, you know it's so long now. All the lies and pain. Yes,
When I was 6 or 7 months in jail, doing bad in my head, 'cause nobody cared. And getting high when I cry, it's the end of my life. God, please let me make it so that things can be right. My mama told me use my talent so that I could be rich. And if they don't give me nothing, I can keep making hits. When I came home, it was on. It was just on the phone. It was a ball name, Mike, telling me that it's on. Said with your talent and my skills, you pay all the bills. But you gotta keep it real, and the kids to chill. Later on in life, the saying jinx is gonna be alright. See, when you shine, you gon' blind because your stuff gon' be tight.
We did it, gang. We did it, dog. We did it. 3 years. We did this shit, man. I could drop the mic on this shit right here, man. I could drop the mic on this shit right here, man. We did it, dog. Once again, Rest in peace, Quayshawn, Ariel, Young Dolph, Tupac, Biggie, Nipsey, Miguel, Slim 400, Draco the Ruler, Big Six and Stitchy up. All them niggas that lost their life behind this bullshit right here, man. Love y'all, man. I gotta go. I can't even, I'm done for the night. I'm really done for the night. So I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow. If God willing, man. If God willing, I'll see y'all tomorrow, man. Shit, dog. These niggas ain't shit, man. I love y'all, gang. We out, man. On the board. God know I love y'all, man. 613 on the board, man.
I don't fuck with these niggas cause they shady. These bitches, they just wanna have my baby. Born in the 80s, crack baby. Mama, she was in the street, so guess who raised me? You motherfucking right, couldn't get it from my mama, so I got it out the block. Been working my whole life, but I ain't never punched a cup.
Love y'all, gang. at my job, man.
Yeah, man.
Think I'ma bow out now, man. Think I'ma bow out gracefully right now, gang. I love y'all. I think I'ma bow out after this one right here, man. My job is
Counting guap, talking to my scale. In my trap house counting guap. If I sacrifice myself, will I go to hell? Sacrifice myself, I sacrifice myself, will I go to hell? Sacrifice myself, will I go to hell? In my trap house counting guap, go to hell. Sacrifice myself, will I go to hell? In my trap house counting guap, in my trap house hell. If I sacrifice myself, 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 will I go to hell? If I sacrifice myself, will I go to hell? If I sacrifice myself, will I go to hell? If I sacrifice myself, will I go to hell? If I sacrifice myself, will I go to hell? If I sacrifice myself, if I sacrifice myself, if I sacrifice myself, if I sacrifice myself, will I go to hell? In my trap house counting guap, talking to my scale, 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 guap, talking to my scale. My jewelry box having more water than Wisconsin Dells. Trap nigga, I count money better than I spend. Came up from nothing, addicted to hustling, addicted to hustling, to hustling. Came up from nothing, addicted 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 to hustling. Yeah, he my dog, but no, I don't trust him. Shifting. Yeah, he my dog, but no, I don't trust him. Yeah, he my dog, but no, I don't trust him. Yeah, he my dog, but no, I don't trust him. Yeah, he my dog, but no, I don't trust him. She a bad bitch, but she know we just fucking. She told me she love me. I told her you look.
Cut that shit out, look.
Stop. This bitch deserve a gold medal. The way she suck it, the way she suck it. He suck it, 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 he suck it. New Louis V bucket. My chain too big to tuck it. I blush the size of biggie, spinning paper like I'm puffy, then paper like I'm puffy. She puffy, she fuck me, she fuck me, then she lucky. Yeah, she got this super sloppy, I call that bitch yucky. Bitch, don't speak to me in public, speak to me in public. Don't speak to me in public. Bitch, don't speak to me, 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 bitch, don't speak to me in public. Fast money, fast cars, I live for this shit, bitch. My young nigga and them, man, they gon' kill for this shit, bitch. Nigga and them, man, they gon' kill for this shit. Nigga and them, man, they gon' kill for this shit, bitch. Shaking my head off, you just too real for this shit. You just too real for this shit. My head off, you just my head off, you just too head off, you just too real, that too real, that too real, that too real. Shaking my head off, you just too real for this shit. My first investment was a vacuum seal, then I got rich. Nemo